Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everyone. It's time for our Practical Hakka segment right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And let's talk about something very practical. 其实这个单元就是很实际的一些客家话要教给大家。我们没有教过这个开关。
哦
You know, 开 open up something or turn on something, or 关 turn off or close something.
OK，
So Alice, let's start with the very normal one. 就是开灯。请开灯，请关灯。Let's teach people how to say, turn on the lights or shut the lights.
OK， 抢碟戳火，
抢碟戳火就是
那个
就是
很像
电火那样子吗？
就是好像着火了那种，
哦
但是是抢碟戳火，就是那个亮了。
你们是用火这个字吗？
哎，对
See, the Hakka use a different term for lights. It's actually electric fire. That's how they call it. So turn on the electric fire, it means turn on the lights.
抢碟戳火。
抢碟戳火
Yeah.
Okay, 那如果要关灯 let's shut off the lights.
抢老火，关铁机。
这样你等哦。那不要关灯好了。
不行啦，开灯就要关灯啊。
Wow, it's a lot lengthier when you want to shut the lights. Okay, 再一次。
抢老火，
抢老火，
关铁机，
关铁机。
就是关掉。
就是把那个电火给关起来了。Okay, all right. I guess it's more polite that way. Now let's say we want to open a door. 我们要开门。
老矮茶门打开来。
老矮茶门打开来。
对，就是车门打开。
Please open the door for me 那样子。Okay. Now how about gas? Especially if you're going out for a long period of time. 尤其呢要出外旅游的话，要检查一下瓦斯关了没有。All right.
出门。
出门 when you're going out.
爱检查一下。
爱检查一下 that means you gotta check. 瓦斯关了没？
瓦斯有关铁冇？
瓦斯就是 gas 嘛，瓦斯嘛。
有关铁冇？
有关铁冇 Okay, that means did you shut it off?
海陆腔的瓦斯。
海陆腔的瓦斯有点不一样。
瓦斯。
瓦斯。那四线。
瓦斯。
瓦斯 OK 其实都听起来很像 gas
很像对
So there you have it. Certain phrases for you to talk about, turning on the lights, turning off the lights, or shutting a door, opening a door, and shutting off the gasoline pipe. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.